Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, where my goal is to help you make money online. I upload a new video every single week, so make sure to subscribe not to miss any new opportunities. In today's video, I will go through my personal earnings on Swagbucks for the whole month of March 2021. I will also attempt to complete a survey and convert some of my points to cash to my PayPal account. If you've never heard about Swagbucks before, it's a website where you can make money by completing surveys and different types of tasks. I currently have 5,155 points, worth $51.55, and I will withdraw about half of those points to cash in a few minutes. As usual, I start by completing my daily poll to earn 1 quick point and daily search, where you can sometimes earn a few points. Now, something that I haven't done much in my previous videos was showing you surveys on Swagbucks. There are days where surveys are better than others, and I will show you how much I earned completing surveys this month. I will start a timer and try to complete this survey, where I can potentially earn 40 points if I qualify. I will pause the recording as surveys are confidential. So I didn't qualify for this survey, but it only took 34 seconds and they gave me 1 point. This will sometimes happen when you try to complete surveys, and this is normal because they sometimes look for specific demographics. There are not many surveys right now, so I will open more surveys here. This page will redirect you to Peanut Labs, and they often have more surveys. So I will try this first one that pays 24 points for 15 minutes of your time. I would usually stay away from surveys that pay small amounts like this one, but for the purpose of this video, I will complete it. Again, I will start a timer to see how long this really takes, because very often, the time they mention there is completely off. I will pause the recording again due to confidentiality. So I just finished the survey and got this error, as you can see. Every time this happened to me, I still got credited the full amount of points. If you ever see this, simply close the window, go back to the Swagbucks page, and reload the page to see your earnings. So it took 5 minutes for me to complete the survey instead of 15 minutes as they mentioned. In my opinion, it's still not worth it, so I will stop completing surveys for today. As with most similar websites, surveys are not worth it every single day, and you will sometimes get disqualified, but don't lose hope. If you check out my other videos on my YouTube channel, you will see that overall, I managed to earn a decent amount of money completing surveys and different types of tasks. So I will now show you my earnings for the whole month of March. To do so, just select Answer, aka Surveys, and select Custom Range, and I will choose from March 1st to the 31st. As you can see, I earned 1,433 points by completing surveys. That's the equivalent of $14.33. These over quotas are disqualifications from surveys, but they often give you 1 point for trying. In most cases, you can see that I qualify for surveys. This will depend a lot on demographics, but I guess Swagbucks is interested in mine in general. If you're between the age of 13 to 40 years old, you should qualify more often than if you are in your 60s or 70s and retired, for example. In the bonus section, I earned 232 points. This includes the daily poll I completed earlier, Swagger Win, and Swag Coat. If you're not sure what some of these are, make sure to check out my previous Swagbucks earnings videos, where I explain in detail what they are and how to earn that way. In the play section, I earned 170 points. This is by playing some of their free games on their website, where you can earn up to 10 points every day. I will actually try to complete the full amount in next month's video by playing their free games every single day. In the search section, I earned 25 points. This is a great way to earn if you use their search engine on a daily basis. And in the referral section, I earned 2,243 points. So if I calculate my personal earnings, that's 1,433 points, plus 232, plus 170, plus 25, that's a total of 1,860, or $18.60, plus $22.43 with my referrals. So the total amount I earned this month was a bit over $41. Another great way to earn with Swagbucks is to refer people. As you can see, I am now making more money that way. In the Refer and Earn section here, you will find your referral code, and you can earn 300 points plus 10% of all their earnings for life. When you refer someone to Swagbucks, both you and the person you refer will earn a 300 points bonus if the person you referred earns at least 300 points within their first 30 days. Even if the person you refer doesn't earn that much in their first month, you will still earn 10% of whatever they earn for life. This will not affect the earnings of the person you referred. This is simply a little bonus Swagbucks gives you for referring someone to their website. Simply copy your referral link there and send it to your friends, family, or followers if you have a YouTube channel, for example. So I will now withdraw money from Swagbucks as I do every month. I will redeem a €25 payment via PayPal. This is always my favorite choice, as I can then use the money however and whenever I want. But feel free to browse their gift card section. I am based in Ireland, so their selection might not be the same in your country, but here I can choose between PayPal, Amazon UK, MasterCard, and a few more. So now that I withdrew the money to my PayPal account, I will show you the order status, and here you can see all your previous orders. As you can see, I always choose PayPal, and I got paid many times with Swagbucks. I requested a €50 payment last month, €25 a few weeks before, another €25 in January, and much more. As I said earlier, I will make another monthly earnings video next month about Swagbucks, but I will see you next week for a passive earning app available on Windows, macOS, and Android phones. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss any more opportunities to make money online. Thank you all for watching and see you very soon.